press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
We know that an algebraic expression which contain more than two terms is known as polynomial. So one term idre monomial, if it contains two terms then it is binomial, three terms it is trinomial, more than two terms we call it as a polynomial. So next concept is multiplying a monomial by polynomial. First example, two x into 3x plus 5xy. This is multiplying a monomial by binomial. So 2x is one term, so adanna monomial anta heli karitivi. 3x plus 5xy is a binomial. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 2x into 3x and 2x into 5xy which is equals to 2x into first term 3x, next plus into plus is plus again 2x into second term 5xy, multiplying a monomial by binomial. So 2x into 3x plus into plus is plus 2x into 5xy. 2 into 3 is 6, x into x, x square, plus into plus is plus 2 5s are 10, x into x, x square into y. So 6x square plus 10x square y. Simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. So adakkinta munche multiplying a monomial by trinomial. So ivaga binomial nodidvi, next trinomial 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. 3p is a monomial, 4p square plus 5p plus 7 is trinomial, or in general we can call it as a polynomial. 3p into first term which is 4p square plus into plus plus again 3p into second term 5p plus into plus is plus 3p into third term which is 7. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. P into p square, p to the power of 1 into p to the power of 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 which is p cube, or p to the power of 3, plus into plus plus 3 5s are 15. P to the power of 1 into p to the power of 1 is p square, plus into plus plus 3 into 7 21 into p, 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. So ಒಂದು monomial ಇಂದ trinomial ಅಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 3p into 4p square, 3p into 5p, 3p into 7. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 12p ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 21p. So next example, simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. X into x minus 3 plus 2 for x is equals to 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 1ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. x into x is x square plus into minus minus x into 3 3x. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x into x x square plus into minus minus x into 3 is 3x plus 2. For x is equals to 1. For x equals 1 we have to substitute x is equals to 1. x square ಇದೆ which is nothing but 1 square minus 3 into x ಇದೆ so 1 plus 2 is constant as it is equals to 1 square is 1 minus into plus is minus 3 into 1 3 plus 2. 1 minus 3, one positive number or negative number idaga we have to subtract those two numbers. Plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. Next one, add 5m into 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. So 5m into 3 minus m plus 6m square minus 13m ಇದೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 5m into 3 minus m is equals to 5 3s are 15 m plus into minus minus ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 into 1 is 5 m into m is m square which is 15m minus 5m square. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 15m minus 5m square plus 6m square minus 13m is equals to minus 5m square plus 6m square. One negative number, one positive number iddaga we have to subtract those two numbers. Minus 5m square plus 6m square is m square plus 15m minus 13m is plus 2m. So again one positive number or negative number ide, highest sign plus 15 ide, so m square plus 2m. Next example, subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. So direct agi subtraction madak baralla. First we have to simplify those two terms. 3pq into p minus q. 3pq into p minus q is equals to monomial into binomial. 3pq into p. 3 into 1 is 3. p into p, p square into q. 3p square into q or 3p square q. Plus into minus minus. 3 into 1 is 3, p, q into q is q square. Just 3p square q minus 3p q square. Second term 2pq into p plus q is equals to 2 into 1 is 2, p into p square into q, plus into plus 2 into 1 2, p into q is q square, 2p square q plus 2p q square. We have to subtract these two terms. So from ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2p square q plus 2p q square. We have to subtract, so minus of next term 3p square q minus 3p q square, which is equals to 2p square q plus 2p q square minus into plus minus 3p square q minus into minus plus 3p q square, which is equals to like terms ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, p square q plus 2p square q and minus 3p square q, which are like terms. One positive number or negative number. Plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 p square q. ನೀವು minus 1 ಬರಿದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, minus p square q plus 2p. Sorry. So next is plus 2p q square and plus 3p q square. Both are positive numbers. So plus 2 plus 3 is 5 pq square minus p square q plus 5 pq square. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲಿಂದ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 3pq ಇಂಟು p ಮೈನಸ್ q, 3pq ಇಂಟು p is 3p square q plus into minus minus 3pq square. Similarly second term 2pq into p is 2p square q plus into plus is plus 2p into q square. So ಇವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, this term minus this term. So ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Exercise 6.3. First main, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. 4p q plus r. Q plus r is a binomial term and 4p is a monomial. We have to multiply monomial by binomial, that is 4p, which is monomial term, into binomial q plus r, that is equals to 4p into q, 4pq plus into plus plus 4p into r, 4pr. ಸೊ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 4p ಇಂಟು q 4pq ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4p ಇಂಟು r 4pr. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, again ab is a monomial term and a minus b is binomial term. ab into binomial is a minus b. which is equals to AB into A. AB into A. A into A is A square, A to the power of 1 into A to the power of 1 is A to the power of 2. AB into A square into B, plus into minus, minus AB into B. B into B is B square, so A into B square. So AB is a monomial term, A minus B is a binomial term. AB into A square, B plus into minus minus, AB into B is A, B square. A plus B, 7A square B square. 7A square B square is a monomial term and A plus B is binomial term. A plus B into 7A square into B square is equals to monomial term ಇಂದ binomial term ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 7A square B square into A is ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 7 into 1 is 7. A square into A is A cube into B square, plus into plus is plus, again 7 into 1 is 7 A square, B square into B is B cube. So 7 A cube B square plus 7 A square B cube. So when we multiply anything by 0, we'll again get answer 0. PQ plus QR plus RP into 0 is nothing but 0. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, 0 ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 0ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Complete the table. So first expression is A and second expression is B plus C plus D. Next second one similar ide, you can take it as homework. Third one similar ide. Next fourth one, 4P square Q square. Second expression, P square minus Q square. First term is a monomial and second term is trinomial or in general polynomial. We have to multiply a monomial by a trinomial, that is A into B plus C plus D, which is equals to A into B, AB plus into plus plus A into C, AC plus into plus plus A into D is AD. AB plus AC plus AD. Next one, 4P square Q square is a monomial. P square minus Q square is binomial. So we have to multiply monomial by binomial. That is 4P square Q square into P square minus Q square is equals to 4P square Q square into P square minus Q square, plus into plus plus, 4 into 1 is 4, P square into P square, P to the power of 4, 2 plus 2, 4 into P to the power of 4 into Q square, plus into minus minus, 4 into 1 4 P square into q square into q square is q to the power of 4, which is 4 p to the power of 4 into q square minus 4 p square into q to the power of 4. And next one, a plus b plus c, second term is abc, which is equals to, this is monomial, abc is a monomial, a plus b plus c is a trinomial. So we have to multiply monomial by trinomial. So ille nodta hogi, a into a is a square into bc, plus into plus is plus, abc into b is b into b, b square, which is a b square c, again plus into plus, plus abc into c square, c into c is c square, ab into c square, a square bc plus ab square c plus ab c square. Next mean, find the product a square into 2a to the power of 22 into 4a to the power of 26. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. A square into a to the power of 22. Bases are same, we have to add the exponents. 2 into 22 is 24, that is a to the power of 24. 2 into 22 into a to the power of 26. So again bases equal ide, exponents na add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. a to the power of 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 and 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 is 5, which is a to the power of 50. 8 into a to the power of 50. By 3 into xy into minus 9 by 10 into x square y square. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲಾದರೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 into 9 is 18, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 18 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 into 10 is 30. 18 divided by 30 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 9 is in the numerator and 3 is in the denominator. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೇ 2 divided by 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 9 divided by 10 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಸೊ 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So plus into minus is minus, 3 into 1 3 divided by 5 into 1 is 5. So next xy into x square y square, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is x cube, y into y square is y cube. So ide in case xy and illiro term 1 divided by x square y square iddidre, we can divide this. X and x cancel, y and 1y gets cancel, avaga 1 divided by x into y barta ittu. But illi eradu term numerator allide, xy into x square y square. minus 10 divided by 3 PQ cube into 6 divided by 5 into P cube cube. So again minus 10 by 3, 6 divided by 5. Multiplication ide, one term numerator and one term denominator ide, we can cancel this. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, similarly 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Minus into pluses, minus, numerator numerator, denominator denominator multiplication, 2 twos are 4, denominator alli 1 into 1 is 1, so denominator alli baride idru nadiyutte, so minus 4 PQ cube into P cube cube. P to the power of 1 into P to the power of 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is P to the power of 4. Q cube into Q, Q to the power of 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is Q to the power of 4, minus 4 P to the power of 4 into Q to the power of 4. And next is x into x square into x cube into x to the power of 4. So bases equal ide, so you can add the exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So x to the power of 10. Fourth main, simplify. Three x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the values for x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. Example alli taradon problem madidvi. First simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ x ಗೆ 1 time 3 ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ and again 1 divided by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 3x into 4x minus 5, monomial into binomial. 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15 into x plus 3 constant ide plus 3. So idana simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So again ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the values for x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 divided by 2. So first for x is equals to 3, x is equals to 3 ಆದಾಗ 12 into x is equals to 3, that is 3 whole square minus 15 into x is into 3 plus 3 is constant is equals to 3 into 3 is 9, 3 3s are 9. So we can write 12 into 9 which is 108. 3 3s are 9, 12 9s are 108. Minus into pluses, minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3, which is equals to minus 45 plus 3. One negative term, one positive term idaga, we have to subtract those two numbers. Minus 45 plus 3 is minus 42. 108 minus 42. So 108 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 42 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 minus 2 is 6. So 0 ಇಂದ 4 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So 10 minus 4 is 6, which is 66. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 3 ಆದಾಗ 66 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. When x is equals to 1 by 2, 12 into x square, x is equals to 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 whole square, minus 15 into x is 1 divided by 2 plus 3, which is equals to 12 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, that is 1 divided by 4, minus bracket simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15 into 1 is 15 divided by 2 plus 3. Next 12 is in numerator and 4 is in denominator, so we can cancel this. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. So 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3, plus 3 and plus 3 is 6, minus 15 divided by 2 is equals to, numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, we have to take LCM. numerator change ಇದ್ದಾಗ LCM ತಗೋತೀವಿ. 1 into 2 is 2. next cross multiplication, 6 2s are 12 minus 15, that is equals to plus 12 minus 15 is minus 3 divided by 2, minus 3 by 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 by 2ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 1 by 2 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 divided by 4. ಸೊ 4 1s are 4 3s are ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 15 by 2 plus 3, plus 3 and plus 3 is plus 6, minus 15 by 2. So denominator change idaga we have to take LCM. 1 into 2 is 2. next cross multiplication, 6 2s are 12, 1 into 15 is 15, 12 minus 15 by 2 is minus 3 divided by 2. A into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5, and find the value for a is equals to 0, a is equals to 1 and a is equals to minus 1. So first we have to simplify this. A is a monomial term and a square plus a plus 1 is trinomial. A into a square is a cube, plus into plus plus a into a square, plus into plus plus a into 1 is a and plus 5 is constant. So a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Next, for a is equals to 0, for a is equals to 0, 0 whole cube plus 0 whole square, because a ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 0ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, plus 0 plus 5, which is equals to 0 whole cube is 0, 0 square is 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. So next a is equals to 1 is for homework. Next a is equals to minus 1. For a is equals to minus 1, a cube ಇದೆ, so minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 whole cube. So negative sign ಇದ್ದಾಗ exponent to ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸನ್ನು 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಪವರು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ -1, -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ +1, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ +1, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಸೊ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಇಸ್ +4. One negative number and positive number idaga we have to subtract those two numbers. -1 plus 5 is +4. Next one, add p into p minus q, q into q minus r and r into r minus p. So direct agi add madakagala, we have to simplify these terms first. P into p minus q, which is equals to monomial into binomial. P into p is p square, plus into minus minus, p into q, pq. This is one term. So next term, q into q minus r, q into q minus r. Again monomial into binomial, q into q, q square, plus into minus minus, q into r, q or r cube. Next third term, r into r minus p, r into r square, plus into minus minus, r into p is rp or pr. So we have to add these three terms. First one is p square minus pq, second term q square minus qr plus q square minus qr plus third term r square minus rp. So ivaga add ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು q ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. p q q r ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ r p ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ q ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus r square, next minus pq minus qr minus rp. Next one, add 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. Simplify the terms first. 2x into z minus x minus y is equals to 2x is a monomial term, z minus x minus y is a trinomial. Plus into plus is plus, 2x into z is 2xz, plus into minus minus, 2x into x 2x square, plus into minus minus, 2x into y is 2xy. Second term, 2y into z minus y minus x is equals to 2y into z is 2 y z plus into minus minus 2y into y is 2 y square plus into minus minus 2 into yx is 2yx or 2xy. We have to add these two terms. So 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus second terms 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. So like terms ಯಾವುದಾದಿದೆ minus 2xy minus 2xy are the only like terms. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟನ್ನು unlike terms ಇದೆ. So minus 2xy is minus 4xy. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ as it is ಬರಿತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ minus 2x square. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. minus 2x square minus 2y square next plus 2xz plus 2yz and minus 2xy is minus 4xy. Next subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. First simplify these two terms. 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n is equals to 3l into l is 3l square plus into minus minus 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, l into m is lm plus into plus plus 3 5s are 15 n. Next 4l into 10n square minus 3m plus 2l. Simplify this. 4l into 10n square, 4 10s are 40, 40 into ln square plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12, l into m is lm, plus into plus is plus, 4 2s are 8 l square. Next we have to subtract this from this, that is 40 l n square minus 12 lm plus 8 l square. We have to subtract minus of 3 l square minus 12 lm plus 15 n. So first minus ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. 40 l n square minus 12 lm plus 8 l square minus into plus minus 3 l square minus into minus plus 12 l m minus into plus minus 15 n. Next ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು like terms ಇದೆಯಾ? minus 12 lm plus 12 lm gets cancelled. One negative number, one positive number ಇದೆ, like terms ಇದೆ. So minus 12 lm plus 12 lm is cancelled. Next 8 l square 3 l square plus 8 minus 3 is plus 5 l square plus 5 l square. Next 15 n and 40 l n square. 40 ln square and minus 15n is plus 40 ln square minus 15n. Sorry, 3l into, which is 40 ln, 4 times of 40, l into n is ln, so ln square agide idu 40 ln, and next 3 5s are 15, 15 into ln. L square plus 40 ln minus 50 ln is plus 25 ln. So ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3l into l is 3l square plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12 lm plus into plus plus 3l into 5n is 5 ln, and next 4 tens are 40 l into n square ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು n, 4 tens are 40, l into n is ln, and next 12 ln plus 8 l square. Subtract ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು, so 40 ln minus 12 ln plus 8 l square minus the second term. Minus ಇಂದ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ minus into plus is minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus is minus. 12 lm minus 12 lm cancel ಆಯಿತು, 8 l square minus 3 l square like terms ಇದೆ, so plus 5 l square. 40 ln minus 50 ln is 25 ln. Next one, subtract 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c from 4c into minus a plus b plus c. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 3a into a is 3a square plus into plus plus 3a into b is 3ab plus into plus plus 3a into c is 3ac minus into plus minus 2b into a is 2ab or 2ba minus into minus plus 2b into b is 2b square minus into plus minus 2b into c is 2bc or 2cb. Next 4c into minus a plus b plus c is equals to 4c into a is 4ac plus into minus minus plus into plus plus 4c into b is 4cb or 4bc plus into plus plus 4c into 4c is 4c square. We have to subtract minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus of 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Next minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square as it is, minus into plus minus 3a square minus into plus minus 3ab minus into plus minus 3ac minus into minus plus 2ab minus into plus minus 2b square minus into minus is plus 2bc. ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ 4c ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. minus 3a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus 2b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus 2b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4c ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ AC so minus 4AC minus 3AC is minus 7AC. Both are negative numbers, so we have to add those numbers. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7AC. Next B ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4b ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4b. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ AB minus 3AB plus 2AB is minus 1AB. and last term BC ಇದೆ. BCಗೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2BC. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ B ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ C ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ AC AB BC and B. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 4c ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಪ್ಲಸ್ c ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 6.3. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.